Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by button shortcuts. So, if you wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the home button, you can perform the button shortcuts. And for example, the first we can do or perform is to double press the home button. If you double press it, by default, it will bring you to the application you were using the last time. The most recent app you were using, basically. If you long and press the home button, it will open the Bixby by default, like this. And if you press the back button, by default, it basically goes back. So if you open the settings and open the connections, press the back button, it will move you back to the settings. That's how it works. Okay. We can customize the shortcuts basically, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, we need to open the settings, so let's swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Advanced Features and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the option called Customize Keys. Select it. And here we have the home key category and back key category. In the home key, we have double press and press and hold. So let's tap on double press first. And here we can assign different function for the double press shortcut. For example, we can make it to open some app or perform some action like, I don't know, recent apps. That's the only action, I believe. All of them are basically apps. So select the option you like. For example, I'm gonna open the maps by double pressing the home button. So when I press the home button twice now, it will open the maps app like this. Okay, let's go back to the settings and then tap on the press and hold option. And here we have the Bixby or power off menu. By default, the Bixby is selected, but if you select power off menu and press and hold the home button, it will open this menu. And here you can turn off the watch, perform the emergency call, or turn off the touch sensitivity. Okay, now let's scroll down to back key, and here we can tap on short press option, and we can select go to previous screen or show recent apps. If you select show recent apps, it will basically open this app menu right here, recent app menu, where you can see the list of apps that you were using recently. And they're not completely closed and they're still running in the background. We can tap on them to open them, as you can see. And by default, the back option was selected. So if we go back to settings and select the go to previous screen, it will basically go back if you press the back key. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you customize the button shortcuts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.